Hey guys, welcome back. So before we get into the section, I'm going to quickly explain the different windows we'll be looking at and the ones we'll be working in. Make sure, first of all, you've got the mail button selected down here. Now, if it's not visible, if it's minimized, it's most likely because of this. Okay, and all you want to do is grab this long line over here and drag it up. And that's going to expand those shortcut buttons. Okay, so make sure you're in the mail slot and you've got the inbox box selected. Okay, so we have a number of different windows here. The first thing I'll look at is the menu tab. Now the menu tab is very similar to all the other Microsoft Office programs. This is where you have your functions and your formulas and all your execution, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so that's the first part. This left side here is what I would call the Explorer window. This is where your inbox folder is, your sent folder is, deleted items, and you can create more folders and different destinations and so on. Down here is where your shortcut buttons are for the different elements. So you got mail, you got your calendar where you arrange your meetings, you got your contacts, tasks and to do, you got notes, and so on. Okay. This middle section in here is where all your emails come in. So depending on which folder you've selected, this is the inbox folder, okay? And these are all our emails. Oops. Now what happens is when you select one of these emails, it's going to appear in this right window here, okay? And that's all the elements you need to know. Those are the basics. So enough of that. Let's get started. I'll see you guys soon.